Hello everyone, myself Himani Sharma from RPIT campus. In today's class, I discuss about the health services. What are the health services? As the medicine experts, pharmacists hold the responsibility to deliver effective, safe, and quality medicines and services to achieve the optimal health outcomes, competency in their discipline, and up to date knowledge. Therefore, are pharmacists core in tailoring information and advice to their patients. Next is the health workforce. Well performing pharmacists are responsive to patients' need and preferences. In fact, involving patients in the health care decision making processes has shown greater satisfaction and reduced complaints. To offer services given the paradigm shift from a product oriented to a patient centered pharmacy. Service putting the interests of patient and treating them with dignity is a must. Next is the health information. As one of the most accessible healthcare professionals, pharmacists are involved in health screening and surveillance programs, checking immunization status, and detecting potential public health hazards with reliable and timely health information. Pharmacists support the development of the public health system and collectively reduce the vulnerability to public health threats. Next is the leadership and governance. Pharmacists take part in public health policy development, linking disease prevalence and drug utilization. Pharmacists enable development of effective health policies as well as they allow disease prevention to be placed within a large context. In addition, pharmacists contribute to the emergencies in terms of designing response plans and protocols, and they contribute to resource metabolization and mobilization through of the medication use and distribution, optimization of medication use and their distribution. Next is the private and public health care. Time to time, India provide the health care model regarding to the patient care and other manifestations. India healthcare delivery systems is categorized into two major components. First is the private healthcare system and second is the public healthcare system. In today's class, I discuss about the health information, health workforces, health services, and what is the work, leadership, and governance, and how the pharmacists take part in the public health policies. Thank you.